So many of you know that we are starting out a new outdoor adventure with Hopwood Home Away from Home, and we were considering getting an e-bike. So I wanted to hop on here and show you how easy it is to purchase a Mukkpet bike at MukkpetEBike.com. We'll have an affiliate link in the description below, but when you go to their website, you can see all the deals, the different kinds of bikes, the accessories, about the company and the brand story. And I will show you how I started looking for ours. They have lots of different options. And so the one area that I wanted to show you is by hovering over to e-bikes and then go down. It's a little tricky. And then actually clicking on Mukkpet electric bike, So by clicking there, then you can scroll down to the categories. This is actually where we started. If you want to look at all the bikes, you can go down here. We wanted to go to the family bikes. So by clicking on family bikes, then it shows the moped style e-bike, the Mukkpet Breeze dual battery cargo e-bike, the Mukkpet step wagon dual battery cargo e-bike. Those are the family ones. Then it has an area that says which model suits you best. So it has the electric mountain bike, family e-bike series, foldable fat tire e-bike, step through foldable fat tire e-bike. That's the other one we really liked. And it has frequently asked questions. All of this can be found under that tab. If you want to go through off-road, then you just click there, and these are the bikes that they recommend for off-roading trails. But this guide will help you, just by reading it, will help you kind of figure out which bike is best for you and your family. And there's also a chat over here, and we have used the chat feature. So that would also help you decide which bike is best for your family. I have emailed customer support a couple times, and they've been great to answer my questions. Another thing that you would use, the city and commute section. These are like the foldable. That would be excellent for someone on a college campus, because you could just fold it up, fit it in your dorm room where it's safe. You don't have to leave your bike. Urban bike that's good for the area which we live in, the Ozark Mountains. So it's stronger for mountain biking, I think. I don't know that much about bikes. That's why we are starting to get one. And then the one that we ultimately chose was the Breeze e-bike. I'm going to click on the Breeze. And it has all the specs. The other one, let me go back to their site is easy to use. I've just forgotten what area I went to. Okay, if you scroll down to the bottom, here's all the different models. They even have a 2-pack. And they have a foldable 2-pack. And right now you can see they've got some excellent deals on them. These come with free accessories right now. And the one that we chose was this Mukkpet Breeze dual cargo bike. So the reason that we chose this one was because I just had a leg procedure done, and it's hard for me to swing my leg up and over. I'm also getting older, so I needed something that didn't have the crossbar through here like a lot of them do. So this has a swing through design, so it's easy to get on. And the other thing is, because we do a lot of family stuff, Morgan likes to go with me. So this back seat right here, I'll click on that. Right here, you can see she can actually sit on that. We are looking for a padded seat. The one that we bought on Amazon did not fit, and I will show you which one I do not recommend. This one is also a good style because it already has the longer padded seat on there where two people could probably easily fit, but you can see the crossbar here. It doesn't have the swing through design like the Breeze, and for me, being older, having recent leg procedure done where it hurts to move my legs, I can't swing my leg over that. So the other one that's a family style bike, these are all like family friendly bikes, is the Mukkpet Step Wagon, and you can actually put two seats back here. You can see that the man with his two kids fit easily back there. You can have a seat, and then she, I guess, is on the regular seat, which is a great option for families. For me, though, this one is really big. So, thinking about trying to move it, that's a lot of bike. It's really long. You can fit a basket on it. But I thought that would be too big for my family's needs. So, like I said, we ultimately decided on the Mukkpet Breeze. It's easy, you just add it to your cart. Shipping, taxes, discount codes. Some of the accessories that they have some bags to carry your stuff. The basket is really neat, so that if you're going grocery shopping or you need to carry stuff, you can add that on. Has extra batteries. The phone mount is nice because then you can have your GPS. Bike lock is always important. They even sell, to keep it safe, they even sell helmets on here. Rear mirrors can be added if you're going to be on the street, which we ride around the state parks a lot. We ride in a rural area, so we did not buy the accessories. You can also attach a bottle holder. Always good to stay hydrated when out on the trails. They do have a bigger bike seat upgrade if you don't like the seat that it comes with. Some of the deals that they have right now, they have an extra $120 off 2 bikes. Get $180 off of free accessories with their back to school sale if you shop now. But we were torn whenever we chose ours between the foldable let's see if I can find a picture. We looked at all of these. But it just kind of folds into that. So if you have a car like I do, this would be a great option. It's lightweight. It folds up and you can just stick it in the back of your car, go where you want, unfold it, easy assembly, and do that. So we were kind of torn between that and the one that we got. This one actually has a swing through design. So if you have mobility issues, this one's easier to get on. It just did not have the rear passenger seat that we wanted for a family style bike. But this one is a good option because it comes in different colors. There's a red one, there's a green one, that's the one my daughter liked. And it just folds up. So you can just put it in and out of your car, go for a bike ride, drive up to your local state park, bike trails, and take off. Easy peasy. Today we are taking the bike out to Lake Port Smith State Park here in Arkansas. Hopefully we get some beautiful footage and hopefully we don't burn up because it's supposed to be hot today. If anybody has any questions about this, please feel free to message me. And check out our blog at hopwoodhomewayfromhome.com for a full, unbiased Mukkpet Breeze e-bike review. Remember, life's short, take the trip.